What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Good morning from Canada. Hope you guys are doing well. We're going to go over our friend Vechain. Currently, we're sitting at 0.082. We're up about 1.7 on the day. Just one sec, guys. We're sitting at a market cap of 5.26 billion. 24-hour volume, 285 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app, and you can grab one of their incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives. Depending on the level of card that you have, $25 just for signing up through my referral. So let's hop into our friend Vet. So we're here on the 1 hour time frame. First entry, 0.08, second, 0.07, 0.06. So if you had $500 at each entry, you have $1,500 in your trade. Break even 0.077. So currently the trade was up at the peak here about 6-7%. Now I did close half my position just due to the fact that we reached the top on the money flow as well as on the RSI, and there is a bearish divergence. Slightly higher highs, guys, lower highs, as well as money is flowing out of VET. But sometimes what you see here is just a little bit of consolidation before continuation. We did break out of this double bottom pattern. Let me drop in our target here. You can see we blasted through the neckline. Takes us right up to that take profit zone. So what may happen is we roll back for a retest of this level of support, which lines up with our break even at 0.077. If that does happen, I'll break even on the second half of my trade, the other 50%, and I'll re-enter right away. So let's pop over to the 4 hour time frame. Just quickly take this line out. So you can see here on the 4 hour as well, trending towards overbought, not quite there yet, but you can see the money flow is overbought, which usually signifies you're either going to see some consolidation or move back down. Now we could have a possible little bull pennant here. So if we're able to hold this level of support, this is why I never close my entire trade, and we hold the EMAs here, you can draw out your flagpole, take it to your point of breakout, and it would take you all the way up to about 0.092 for VET. So do watch that pattern as well. On the 4 hour time frame, we are back above the EMA. So if we can hold them, we can have the bullish cross just as we did here. We could see a nice little pump to the upside for Vechain. As I had been mentioning on the daily, we're absolutely in the floor. Let me quickly pop open the money flow. As well as the money flow is in the floor, and that's usually when you're going to see a bounce, and that's what we've seen here. So do watch the 20 EMA. We're currently hitting it as resistance. If we can get back above it, then we may see a retest of our ascending triangle, this trend line of resistance, previous level of support, which is coming in at about 0.090. Also will line up with the 55 EMA. So do watch for that, guys. If we do get rejected here though, and we do roll, we may be looking to create a little bit of a descending broadening wedge. If I just take this out momentarily, you can see here, guys, we have a descending broadening wedge. So if we get rejected, we come down. Do watch for support around 0.069 for our friend Vechain, guys. If this is our true bottom, this low here back in July, then I can give you some price targets based off the Fibonacci as well as Elliott wave theory. Our bull run target 75 cents, the 2 extension at 140. You got the 2.272 coming in at 217. As you can see here, if I scroll back from the beginning of our bull run, impulsive wave 1, corrective wave 2, your largest wave 3, corrective wave 4, quite a large correction. This correction has lasted almost a year basically since we created this high back in April. We're looking at about 272 days. That's why I trade, guys, because we made a ton of money while we were going through this correction and while we were consolidating, while we were trading sideways. Whereas if you were an investor and you bought in these levels, maybe you broke even right here, or you're still waiting almost a year just to get back into profit. So that's why I teach you guys to dollar cost average into your trades and take profits on the way up. All right, guys, so let's finish off the video here with Vechain on the 4 hour time frame. So if we do break out, guys, our next take profit zone 0.087 and then 0.095, and then if we roll over, what happens is you can set your stop loss and re-enter once again. So if you sold half your trade right here, you set your stop loss and then you re-enter. Let's use 500 example. So you put 500 and then your next buy zone 500, equal amounts at each buy zone, brings your average price down halfway each time. As a spot trader and then as a leverage trader, you double your margin. I'll give you guys your buy zones here. So the first one is our break even, 0.0775. And then you wouldn't use this one here. Our second entry would come down to our third entry. Let me quickly write in buy zone / buy. So it would be 0.077, 0.069, 0.056, and I have buy zones 0.035, and I always have a fail safe 0.013. Equal amounts as a spot trader. Bring your average price down halfway each time you ride this slingshot back up. Let me quickly open up the Discord. If you want access to the Discord, guys, it's the price of a coffee, $3.50 USD. Not only do you get the DCA charts for many projects, but also 1,000 members. Talking all things crypto, posting chart patterns. Let me scroll down and open this up, as well as the DCA charts for many projects if you'd like to dollar cost average into your positions. All right, guys, that's it for Vet. If you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit, $4,100 in bonuses for a limited time. And my hair is a bit of a mess, and I will see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.